Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how to delete Google Photos without deleting them from your device. So let's start. Okay, so here the first thing that you have to do is you need to uninstall your Google Photos from here. Okay, so after that one, you can open up a browser. So from here, you can type in sign in Google Photos. Okay, so you can scroll down here and you can click on sign in from Google Photos. All right, so from here you can choose and delete photos or videos that you no longer need. Now, since you deleted the app from your device, this should not affect the photos in your device itself. All right, so that would be all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.